what I say. Get out of my way. And why is the cost of living more than the price of giving today? They say to do this and they say to do that. They got no worry when the ball is fat. But Lordy Mama, I'll show you where it's at. I wanna know why half week's pay is more than the cost of living today. Half week's pay is more than the cost of living today.